So hello everyone and welcome to this project video in which we'll be creating a countdown counter. So that will uh, create a counter for you in JavaScript, and if that counter is completed, so it will yell that it is completed. So it is very simple project in which we'll cover our basics of JavaScript, and you will feel confident about uh, creating projects in JavaScript. So let me just introduce you to this project. In here, you can create your countdown by just typing the countdown title in here. For example, I'm creating a counter for meeting, or let me just be more specific, or sales meeting, and I can pick a date for 13 July. Then if I submit this, so you can see that it started a counter which will count days, hours, and minutes and seconds till the sales meeting. And when this timer or this counter is completed, then it will yell that it is completed. Is it is very simple project. You love when you like write typing the code in here. So if I refresh the page, it will not lost it, like it will not lost it, but the countdown will be there. If I click on this reset button, then it will get lost. So actually why it is not getting lost, because we have used the local storage for that. So we'll be understanding that in the project video. And if I click on this reset button, then you can see that it presented the previous screen, which was initial screen to create a new countdown. So I can write any other countdown counter as well, and let me show you the complete screen as well. So let me just write eating pizza maybe. So if I pick the date for today and submit, and you can see that this countdown is completed and it is showing this beautiful animation. Also we'll do that as well, and you can see that it is showing us the message that eating pizza finished on this date. So this is what we are going to build in this small series of lessons, and you will get to know very good things in JavaScript you can do while creating projects. So let's start this mini project.